verse in Skanda Puran, which is quoted in the Tika of the Bhagavatam by Vishnu Chakravarti, and he gives the identity of each one of these. Rukmini is Chandravali, Satyabhama is Radharani, and Jambavati is Lalita, and Kalindi Vishaka, Kalindi is Yamuna, and Shaivya. They each one has their counterpart. You can see there. These are their expanded forms in this Dwarka Lila. Of all these queens, Rukmini and Satyabhama are the best. Rukmini is exalted because of her opulence, wealth, and prestige. And Satyabhama is exalted because of her extreme good fortune. They both have good fortune. But there's some story that Satyabhama did some tapasya in one life. She observed Purushottam Brat for 1 month, and then she got Krishna as her husband. Some type of lila here, in some expanded form. But somehow generally it's told that Rukmini, she's the first queen, and she's considered, because her own family was so wealthy, Rukma, or whatever her father's name, he was extremely wealthy, so Satyabhama's family wasn't very wealthy. So in that sense, she's more opulent, and she's the first one, considered to be the favorite queen of Krishna. She's had the greatest opulence in Krishna's palace, but Satyabhama was the most fortunate.